Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to compress video without losing quality. Okay, the first thing that you should do here, I have this video right here. This is about 340 megabytes, and now I want to compress it without losing much quality. I will use a small software, and this software is called Handbrake. So I'm gonna search for Handbrake on my browser, just like so. Then go to the official website, then go and choose the operating system that I have. I have here Windows, so I'm going to download one of these options. But here in my case, I have downloaded already. So I will simply search for Handbrake after the installation. The installation process is very simple and easy. You just have to click on install, then go and click on next, next, next till you find that you are all set and you can use the program. Now I'm going to click on the Handbrake program. Then here it will show me this interface. I'm gonna drag the video or click on open video files and go and choose the video, or I can simply drag the video like this and drop it here. Then here I have the video. You can simply click on web optimized in the summary section. You can also modify the resolution and the preset. You can go and click on browse and choose where do you want to save the new video. I'm gonna save it here, but I will name it compressed, for example. Then I'm gonna click on save. You have the dimensions. Also, when you go to dimensions, you can see more and more options, but I will go for video. Now, look at this arrow right here. When you decrease it, when you drag it to the left, it will lower the quality a little bit, but it will compress your video. But if you make it to the right side, it will have better quality, and it will also compress the video, but will not compress it without losing much more quality. So I'm gonna leave it by default, and I'm gonna set my frame rate same as source, constant frame rate. Then we're gonna get back to summary and choose MP4. Then I'm gonna click on start encode. And now let's see how much will it decrease the size of the video. It will take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes in order to finish this processing till the end. So I'm gonna get back to you once it's finished. And now after finishing, here as you can see it finished. Now let's see how is the video. This is the old one. This is 340 megabytes. And this is the new one, 32 megabytes. And now let's check the quality. The quality is still good. So you can actually use this software in order to compress your videos without losing any quality. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.